Hey y'all.
Hey y'all.
Today is gonna be all about the kitties.
Yes.
Claudia is here with me. My daughter-in-law Claudia, Bobby's wife, is here with me today because we are gonna make one of the children's favorite things to play with, and that's play-doh.
Yes.
I mean, Olivia could eat a bucket, I think.
Not necessarily play, but eat.
Yeah. Yes. I mean, we have to watch her close when she has that play-doh.
But this is edible Play-Doh.
This is very edible play-doh.
So it's safe.
If she wants to eat it, might blow her little stomach
That's
up.
fine.
She might not be hungry for
It's
a while.
fine.
But we're gonna make it here in the kitchen, and then we're gonna walk over and surprise the babies with their play-doh.
Perfect.
So Cloud, this is what it is, girls.
Okay.
One girl. All right, we got a cup of water, a cup of table salt, and canola oil. So we're just gonna mix those together, the water, the salt, and the oil.
Go ahead.
In this bowl.
Okay. So I need a steering instrument.
You do need a steering something, don't you?
And this is canola oil. Okay.
Yes. And I don't know why, Cloud, it calls for canola.
I don't know.
All right, I'm gonna be doing the same thing over here in my bowl.
So it's 2 batches that we're doing
Yes,
basically? Okay.
yes. We're gonna do 2 batches, and we're gonna have to divide it into thirds.
Yeah, I was gonna say, what about the third kid?
All right, that's the salt, the water, and the oil.
Here, I'll mix it.
Okay, baby, thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
All right, now at this point, we add the food coloring.
Okay.
So we're gonna need 3 different colors, aren't we?
Yes.
Okay.
3 different kids,
So-
3 different colors. Cannot
Okay.
leave nobody behind.
That's right. That's right. It's got to be even, Steven.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
You know what? I think you may need a regular spoon to get, because the salt and stuff is kind of at the bottom. Do you think you can
Yes.
catch it with that?
well, I was gonna see if I could, if we
Divide
can
it?
get it
Okay.
mixed up. I can put some over here.
Okay, here you go.
But I was gonna see if it could get mixed up enough without me
That may be hard. You may want
getting
a regular
too much,
spoon
getting too much salt.
or too much liquid.
Yeah.
There
All
you
right.
go.
Okay. So
I'll do-
okay. Because that salt doesn't dissolve, y'all. What are you doing now? Now we need. All right.
Messing up your recipe.
No. I'm just trying to think. This bowl will be one color, that bowl will be one color, and then we have this one
okay.
for another color, right?
Oh, okay. I thought. Okay.
I was taking some
You're so
out
smart.
of here.
I was gonna
No,
do extra steps.
No. I just
Gotcha.
wanted to.
Gotcha. Let me get some out of here.
Okay,
too,
yeah,
then.
do a little scoop there, but yeah, reach down this end.
Yeah.
That's enough, baby.
You sure?
Yeah, because
Okay.
I don't have much here.
Okay, perfect.
So I'll do the green.
Okay, red is
It
my
was
favorite
closer
color
to-
ever.
Okay, well, you do that.
What is your favorite color ever?
You know, it depends on what you're talking about. In my house, I love God's colors, blues and greens. To wear, I like wearing blacks and whites.
Black? You rarely wear black.
Oh no, I'm constant. Oh, well, these are white.
I'm like, honestly, no black. My favorite color to wear ever is gray. I love wearing gray.
I like wearing gray too. All right, so now I think we've got this all screwed up because you
Cut.
have your amount
What?
of ingredients over there, and I have my
Oh, it
amount.
doesn't matter.
Okay.
I'm sure it'll work out.
Do you think you need some more red?
Yeah, it looks kind of orange.
Yeah,
I was thinking the same.
let's jack him up some.
There you go. Thank you.
All right, and blue for Linton's eyes.
Yes, ma'am. Aww.
Isn't that pretty? Pretty. Oh, that reminds me of the Caribbean waters.
Let's go there.
Okay. When you want to leave?
Tomorrow.
Okay. All right. So we're supposed to sift this flour.
What is sift? I never heard that word.
Sift.
Oh, okay. Oh, I've never
But
seen
you
this
know
machine.
what? I've already forgotten what I'm supposed to be doing.
Oh, here.
I was gonna say, where's the recipe?
Right here. Oh,
Okay.
this is cool.
Sift together the flour and the cornstarch.
I've never seen
Okay.
that in my life.
Okay, so I'm gonna try to do this and rub these bowls,
Let me see if I
and
can.
then we'll do yours. Now, one of those is yours.
Oh. And then lentils? Who knows? So
Well, we'll just be adding this stuff to it.
eyeball it.
Yes.
So
All
why?
right, how much cornstarch?
I get it.
2 tablespoons.
Okay, so this
Yes.
is the cornstarch.
That's yours. This
Yes.
is mine. Gotcha.
Yes.
So what is the point of sifting?
Sifting to make it fine.
Oh.
See? See how fine that makes it running it through that sifter?
Sifter. It's
Yes.
basically like, could you use a regular
Strainer.
strainer?
Yes.
I
yes.
guess like with a spoon or
Sometimes
something.
I do that if
Yeah.
I'm in a place where
This
I
is
don't have
fancy.
Okay, so now it tells us to add.
I'm so gonna mess this up.
No, you're good. It tells us to mix. Oh, I've already lost the recipe, Cloud.
Here, I keep
Okay.
moving it. It's my fault.
All right, so it says add half a cup of dry ingredients to the wet ingredients at the time,
Oh, this-
mixing thoroughly with each addition.
I love this.
I
This is
think-
so cool.
I know.
So do you go in one direction or?
It doesn't matter. You can go in either.
Oh, this is so fun. Oh, I
Okay,
love
here we
it.
go.
I wonder how this is called in Spanish.
Come on, Play-Doh.
Sifter.
I don't know. Oh, a
To look into
sifter.
it. Okay, great. So what do I do now?
Well, I'm starting to add the dry ingredients to mine.
But not all the time because we have to give some to the blue one, right?
Yes,
So just some.
yes.
Okay, I'm gonna
Still,
eyeball
and
it.
you want it to be red cloth.
Oh. Well,
Okay.
mine is gonna be like pink, I think.
Pink. Well, we can give you some more food coloring if you
Yeah,
want.
that's fine. Can you do an electric thing? Or probably
A
not, right?
mixer?
Yeah.
I don't know.
I have that mixer that is a hand mixer, but it's like
Oh.
the cake mixer, but it's with a hand, you know? I like
Yes, I love my handheld mixer.
Yeah, I
couldn't
love
get-
that.
I could not
Oh, there we
get
go.
away with that. Okay, mine's getting mixed up.
Yeah,
How
mine
about
is gonna
yours?
be like pink. It is
Okay, I'm
gonna.
gonna give you some more red food coloring.
But
Okay.
it, yeah.
Because that's not that's mauve.
What is mauve?
That color.
Oh, like coral, right?
No.
No.
How would you describe
I guess mauve is kind of like a little bit purple.
a pinkish?
red.
Some parts of that orchid are almost mauve.
Like a terracotta.
No.
Yeah, have homework. Google mauve. Do you think I need to add more?
Okay,
eh?
I think I'm getting pretty close to Play-Doh.
More, right?
You know what? And to me, mine's not green enough.
And I feel like Paula put. Oh, but I think she had less liquid than I did.
Well, I've still got liquid over here for lint.
Yeah. Okay. This is a workout, people.
Uh-huh. Sure is.
I can feel it in my arms already.
I know.
Oh, I
Eddie-
see it now.
Eddie, I don't know if I told you, but the other morning I just woke up real early
Oh.
and I heard folks talking.
Screaming, probably.
No, out to the back. I just heard these voices just talking. And so I got up. I was sitting there drinking coffee. I got up and looked out that big old plate glass window. Cloud was out there in boxing gloves and a huge, huge built man
Police officer.
holding up his hands or some kind of board,
Yeah, like a
and she
pass.
was beating the hell out of him. She reminded me of the $1 Million Baby. You know,
Doing my best.
about the boxing.
Trying. He's coming back on Wednesday,
I
so.
was so impressed. I was so
Didn't he?
impressed, Cloud. You look like a professional boxer.
Thank you. It's my first time ever boxing, so that gives me hope.
Is that all your liquid?
No, I'm gonna do it with my hands. I give up. Oh,
And
this
it-
feels good.
It does.
Yeah. It's like making like a pizza dough.
Yeah. Yeah.
Here, this is for you.
Okay. Oh, I don't. Okay.
Oh, yeah, you need it. Whoops.
Oh my goodness.
Now we're talking. This is totally Play-Doh.
I like this
Oh, this
blue
is
color.
so fun.
Good.
Oh, it's like magic.
Yes. All right, look at this blue. That's
Oh, that's like
beautiful.
Linton's size.
Uh-huh. Linton's eyes.
I think the hands really seal the deal.
The what?
Using your hands.
Yes.
Because see
Yes.
how that's still not.
That's
I'll
right.
do that.
Yeah, I've got to get in there with my hands.
I'll help you.
The best instrument in the world, best utensil in the world is
It's
our two
great.
hands.
Yes.
Is
Oh,
it
this
doing
is so
good?
fun. Yeah, it's done. Here you are. There's a Play-Doh. Let me wash my hands.
All
over
right,
there.
now, are we going to have
There's
the kids
plenty.
outside or go into the playroom, or where are we going to?
No, we'll do it outside.
Okay, I think that's a great idea.
Yeah, me too. But it stays pretty close. Like, it's not gonna be a mess at all.
Yeah,
This is not messy at all. See, mine is way more thick than this.
it is?
You'll touch it and see it.
All right, let's see. I didn't
But
measure.
also we just handballed it. Handballed it.
And ball.
Eyeballed it. You know.
Yes.
I mean, I guess you can handball it too.
Yeah.
That's kind of what I'm doing right now.
I didn't want to, I can't remember what I didn't want to do.
I hate to say something,
Say it.
but the consistency of mine is better than yours.
I know it is. That's
Hate to
because
break it.
somebody dumped extra flour in my recipe.
No, the opposite. Mine has more flour. It's better. No, this one is better than this one. Oh yeah.
I can't get this one mixed up. So,
Oh, that's good. That's how you want it.
all right,
Let me
I'm
see.
gonna.
Put that. No. Put that one on the green one. The green one needs more flour.
Oh, it does.
Yeah.
Because I didn't measure.
Yeah.
The
Do
flour.
that. There you go.
Okay.
Okay. So you do that one. No.
Okay. It doesn't matter.
Okay. There we go. This one needed more flour.
You still need some more?
No, I think I got it.
Because I can give you some more.
I think this is good.
So I don't know who's gonna have the best time with this, y'all. Cloud and me, or the children.
Oh, we're having a lot of fun right now.
I know.
Let me tell you.
All right, you got some kind of cookie cutters or something you said?
Yes, I do. We'll go
Cloud
play.
gets all kind of activities going for the children. So I can't wait. So y'all got to come with us, and we're gonna surprise the babies.
Can't
Which-
wait.
I wish little Davis and little Bennett and little Madison was here. He is busy driving race cars, and he likes sitting in his cockpit out there. Linton, we got a surprise for you, baby.
It's busy in the truck.
Play-doh.
Come get your surprise.
Linton! Linton!
Halloween.
Wow, mira lo que hizo aquí, mira, mamá!
Oh, green. You know what? Mommy and I made y'all some Play-Doh.
Wow, Blanquita!
Whoa! Look at this Play-Doh.
Linton!
And the green.
It's green.
That's green.
That is green, and this is blue. This is the color of Linton's
Linton, mira.
eyes.
El barco! La
Look,
moto!
Eddie, look at Cloud.
I know. She's been cooking.
I've been cooking Play-Doh.
Yeah, I've never seen that much flour on you, Cloud.
Yeah, me neither. Mira!
Lauren,
Linton!
come over here, baby. Do y'all know Lauren? This is our niece, Lauren Gruber. And she's here giving Cloud a hand today. So,
Really? Look.
Lauren, get in here and
Thank
help
you.
with the Play-Doh.
Wow! Mira qué cool!
And the bike.
Pero eso no sé.
Linton, you're missing the fun.
I put it in there.
Toma, elige uno. ¿Cuál quieres?
It's Millie, look.
Oh
Wow!
Millie, look. Uh-oh.
my goodness.
That happens. And then you just push
get
it down.
Okay.
Whoa, Wally!
Yes,
we messed
here.
up
No,
Wow!
Whoa!
Es un tren, Oli. Chuchu. Mira, y aquí hay otro color azul.
Some of it could stand a little bit more flour.
I think it's great.
Yeah.
Push it.
And tomorrow,
Flatten it. There you go. Good job.
Linton.
I can't get it out of the thing, Cloud.
Yeah,
What you
that
got,
happens
Nancy?
sometimes. Lindo, ven, mira.
Oh, you know what we need to do?
Mira, Rey.
The play-doh.
Look, there's the car.
Mira, siéntate aquí, papito, aquí.
Look at the car.
Lindo, ¿te quieres sentar acá?
Good job, Millie.
Mira, aquí está el chuchutrán. ¿Te quieres sentar acá con Oli? ¿Qué quieres, mi amor? Vente. Mira la plastilina. Mira qué cool. ¿Qué se dice? Gracias, Guinea.
You know what we need to do, Cloud?
Yes, ma'am.
We need to dip these in flour,
yeah, that's
you know, so
that's
it'll come out.
Yeah.
Or even a non-stick spray. So I think, Cloud, if you just keep this in some kind of plastic bag that you can, you know, lock it up tight, I think that'll be a great way to store it. And I'll be anxious to know what it feels like tomorrow. If it starts to get harder or,
Or softer. Yeah.
yes.
Yeah. After it sits.
Whoa, look at Millie.
Wow, Milligan. Wow.
She is cutting a
Wow.
whatever.
That's a dolphin.
That's a dolphin, that's right.
Un delfín.
Un delfín, mi amor. Lo hizo Guinea.
Muchos motos.
Muchas motos.
This could stand a little bit more flour, I think, Millie. There's Teresa Ollie.
Look how pretty you look.
She just wanted to go find you.
Yeah.
Ah.
That's a dolphin.
I see that. You gonna
Show
share?
Teresa. Show Teresa. Your
Show me
pretty
something
bow.
you can make. Make something for me.
Linto's making motorcycles. ¿Verdad, Linto? Ahí tienes, Millie.
That's a car. What's that?
You're so pretty. You
What's
love
that?
I know.
That's a bag.
It's a ball?
It's a bag.
Thank you.
Hola, mamita. Te amo.
It's a bag.
What do you have, Linton?
A motorcycle.
A motorcycle? Where's the motorcycle?
Right here.
Oh,
I see a dog.
I see it now.
Ollie, what you making?
It's I see a dolphin.
Where's Teresa?
I'm right here.
She don't want you going anywhere,
It's
Teresa.
Look at this, Ollie.
There it is.
She loves,
There it is.
she loves Play-Doh balls.
You want to play the ball?
Wow.
Look at that.
Mira, ¿cómo le decimos a los amigos de Guinea?
Ollie, come over here and tell our friends bye-bye.
Dile chao, chao, amigos.
Ciao, ciao.
Adiós, amigos.
Ciao, ciao. Millie, tell everybody ciao, ciao.
Adiós, amigos. Gracias por
And
Hola,
Linton,
Teresa.
Linton is in the forest.
Hola, Teresa.
He's going on a nature hike.
Okay, full.
Hey, man.
It's gone. It's gone.
So, Cloud, this was so much fun. We'll have to think of some more things that we can do for them and
Yes.
with them.
Food related.
Yes, I love y'all to pieces. I love the, Y'all, do this with your children or your grandchildren. You won't be able to tell who's had the most fun. The big folks or the little folks. Isn't that right, Neil? Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.